कुल इन काना आबाउकुम व अबनाउकुम व इख्वानुकुम व अज़वाजुकुम व अशीरतुकुम व अम्वालुन इक़्तरफ़्तुमूहा व तिजारतुन तख़शौना कसादहा व मसाकिन तर्दौनहा अहब्बा इलैकुम मिनल्लाहि व रसूलिही व जिहादिन फ़ी सबीलिही फ़तरब्बसू हत्ता याती अल्लाहु बिअम्रिही वल्लाहु ला यहदिल क़ौमल फ़ासिक़ीन। Say to them, O Muhammad, clear words that, O Muslims, O people who profess to believe, if your fathers, your sons, your brothers, your wives, your relatives, your wealth that you have accumulated, your business that you have established, and you are fearful of recession in it, or your dwellings that are very dear to you, if these 8 things are more dear to you than Allah and His Messenger and the jihad for His cause, then go and wait till Allah gives His final judgment. And Allah is not going to lead to the right path, guide such fusaq. It is the biggest fist, that these things become more dear to you than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we discussed the ideal has to be Allah.